I just woke up, but guess what's at the doorstep? From King Motorsports, baby. My Mugen parts came so fast. I think this is gonna be my lip, and these are definitely my side skirts. And I was gonna wash the car today, well I still am, but now I really want to install these. This works. Oh shit. Alright guys, car is all cleaned up. So we're pretty much just gonna grab these Mugen bits here. And we'll definitely head over to, I think, Benny's and get this all installed because he has a lot more room than I do. So we'll see you there. So Black Friday deals are smacking. So I got the lip, the front garnish, and I got side skirts over there. So you guys will see all that unboxed.
Alright, look. So with these, you're gonna have to go, you're gonna have to shove them below it and then maneuver it up. Like, oh, there we go. Just like that.
That's cool. Looks like a Mugen kit.
I like the simplicity of this kit.
I've never seen this kit on any other fk8 before. It's like every fk8 runs this kit.
What do you think?
Alright, so Benny and I just unboxed the lip, the first part, and it mocks up perfect. And the paint, paint match is actually pretty pristine.
It matches the bumper pretty well.
I was very surprised. I had mixed answers from the forums when I asked if it was worth getting paint matched through King Motorsports. But I think it was worth the 60 bucks or whatever it was. Ooh. And shout out Mike from King Motorsports. I had ordered the skirts and the garnish painted white, but I forgot to select white on the lip, so he called me Monday morning. He's like, hey, you want this painted or not? I was like, yes, please. Yeah, it looks super good. Ah, actually look kind of low now. We're gonna start with the garnish. Toby here already pried open the whatchamacallit up front. And then we'll screw in the thingamajig off these Japanese directions. Very nice. So basically what you're seeing here is that King Motorsports or Mugen provides you these nice Japanese directions that I cannot read. So after you get the cutout that they provide of you in the instructions, you kind of line it up to the best of your abilities and you just drill right through it. And that's kind of where you screw in the front garnish. Let's get this all clipped back in. And there she is. Got the garnish in. Wow, it's surprising that little piece makes such a big difference in the front bumper. Got both in. That one took like an hour to drill, but they're on. Alright, so it's on the front lip now. Basically, you have to drill a hole through here to get this little bad boy in there, and then you got 2 clips under, and it'll be secure. Alright, so the good thing, Mugen sent us some of this stuff. It smells super potent. Yeah, it's super strong. It's strong. So we're just gonna wipe that down and then do the 3M. Alright, got the holes drilled, so we're good to go. Cool, so we got both the screws in. The last part is just pulling off the 3M and making sure it sticks. Alright, so we have the front lip on. Toby's pumping up the jam right now, getting this thing in the air, and then we're gonna install the side skirts. So basically, you just gotta, this one will hold the front and side skirt. This one will hold the rear of the side skirt. I'm gonna choose. You're supposed to drill another hole up here, but I'm gonna choose not to because I'm lazy and I don't want to take the screws off. And then there's 3 more holes down here that you drill, which I'll show you guys in a sec. So Toby and I got the screws in. Now I have to go down here, and then you're gonna drill basically a hole all the way down. So these are the clips here. So basically these go under the car and then they go in just like this. As long as your holes are right. Cool, with the screws back on, so then we just gotta take off the 3M all the way down and press. Look at that.
29.
And that's all she wrote, folks. It's all done. Shout out to the homies for always helping and playing darts.
Take your nod at that one.
It's really crazy how much some plastic pieces can make your car look 10 times better. Oh no, everyone's gonna say another fk8 on Mugen parts, but you can't go wrong. Finally, I can do this. Oh! Oh fuck. Oh yeah. Now finally I get to do this. Ta-da! This is really what I paid all that money for. Hey friends, long time no see. I hope you guys enjoyed that Mugen kit install video because I definitely am enjoying the look of the Mugen kit on my fk8. And if you have one yourself and if you're wondering if the real Mugen kit is worth it, 100% yes. Fitment, perfect. There's no grinding or shaving down needed. Install was really easy for a car thing because you know how car installs go. 45-minute installs turned into like 8 hours, but not with the Mugen kit. That was all one day, so that was cool. But yeah, fitment was perfect. Customer service from King Motorsports was very good, and the kit looks super nice. Paint match from them. I think it's like $60 or $90 for whatever piece you're ordering. 100% worth it. I didn't have to go through the hassle of taking it to someone I know and get it painted, so that was awesome. I was able to just unbox it and install it. We just moved, and now that we're settled, I have a bunch of content I've been holding back, so I'm excited to show you guys that. If you guys like Evo, stay tuned. There's photography content coming out. Other than that, car parts don't really grow on trees, so I'm just going to document kind of some lifestyle, or not lifestyle, day in the life stuff with the Type R and photography, more photography stuff. Kind of just hang out with the homies here in the Pacific Northwest because in the summer it is beautiful, car hangs are fun, and I just want something to kind of look back at and watch all the good times with the friends. You know, the good old days before you realize you're not in the good old days. But anyways, hope you guys liked the video. If you're thinking about the Mugen kit, go get it. It looks amazing, and I'll see you guys next time.